Sankiana Consultant Institution last year. I was part of the evening program for Sankiana and I studied data science. Well, data science is actually my favorite tech course, so that's what I've always wanted to do. So I applied for it and I was given entry by Sankiana. My experience there was wonderful, and there was a lot of patience because of how busy and the schedule, everything was really tight, and we still had more classes to be able to recap on the things that we must have lost. And above all, the instructor, Tapaswini was good. She was amazing. Although I had a little setback because of we couldn't do recorded sessions until towards the end, but regardless, it was still amazing. So we did have some of the recorded sessions towards the end, but because I would have loved to relive that same experience over again, so I think I would employ Sankiana to make available videos, including for the alumni and the current students as well. So, and one of the things I enjoyed about Tapaswini's teaching was the fact that we could equally reach out to her, or we could call her back when we didn't understand something, and she could direct us and guide us. So, and the project itself was really, in fact, the project was what helped me the most. So, because I practically missed a lot of classes. So, but while I went through the notes, I went through everything one after the other. What I didn't really understood, I was in the class, I could ask, but most of the time I really got them because the notes were self-explanatory. So the project really helped me because it was what helped me to focus on what I was actually doing, because whatever I learned, I needed something to practice. I needed something to be able to show, to put to what I've learned to practice. So that was what I did. So the project really helped me out. It really helped me harness that knowledge of data science. So data science, like I said, has always been my favorite course, and I don't see myself doing any other thing if not data science. And I'm happy. Currently, that is my role as I speak right now. That is currently my role now as a data scientist. So I analyze data, though I'm still getting the hang of the working towards the machine learning and the artificial intelligence, but I'm still getting the hang of it. But like I said, I'm still I'm in a super